Rate analysis for plaster work. How to find the rate of plaster work for 1 square feet 15 mm thickness. It is very important for everyone to know about market rate and how to find it. Please like, share and subscribe this channel. So it is a very basic and important for everyone to know how to get the rate of any item in construction field. So please subscribe and press bell icon for latest video update. So today's our topic is rate analysis for plaster work. It is easy and tricky for everyone. So I'm going to tell you in very easy way. And it is very useful for you and everyone. So let's consider standard men are equals to for plaster equals to 8 hours. So it is a standard for our industry. 8 hours is minimum working hours. So for a mission or any team in 8 hours, so let's consider mission. One mission must do 125 square feet plaster in 8 hours. So 125 square feet is a minimum standard work for 8 hours for a mission, and labor for 125 square feet is more than 1 or equals to 1.15 for 8 hours. So these are the minimum basic standard for plastering. So including mixing, shifting and plastering work. So let's find out the rate for 125 square feet plaster by a machine and 1 plus labor. So assume machine charges for 8 hours is 850 rupees and labor charges for 8 hours is 500 rupees. These are the basic, and it varies from place to place. So please consider your area's rate or your ongoing rate. So mason charges for 125 square feet equals to 1 mason into 850 rupees for 8 hours equal to 850, and labor charges for 125 square feet equals to 1.15 into 500 equal to 575 rupees. It means 575 rupees for labor. So total cost will be mason plus labor equals to 850 plus 575 equals to 1425 rupees. So this is the total and basic cost for 125 square feet plaster. So for 1 square feet plaster we will have to divide total rupees by 125. So we will get 11.4 rupees. 11.4 rupees for plastering work, and we will have to add some additional cost for in this amount 11.4 rupees. Add 5% for tool and tackles, so it will become 0.57 rupees. So the total sum for 1 square feet plaster charges 11.14 plus 0.57, it will be 11.97 or approximate 12 rupees. So and Now we will have to add 15% contractor profit. You can change it as your percentage profit. So it will become 1.8 rupees. So final rate for plaster shall be 12 plus contractor profit, means 1.8 equals to 13.8, or it will become approximate 40 rupees. This is the final rate for plastering. So friends, it is only labor rate for internal plaster having thickness 15 mm. So you can easily find by applying these methods, and these are the based on the labor and mason weight. It will vary with varying rate of mason and weight and labor. So thank you for watching us. We are civil engineers talk. Please like, subscribe and share with your friends and colleagues. Thank you for watching us, and press bell icon for latest video update. Hope that was up to mark.